so. Cause she said the boy rich like Lotto. Sure. Make this so keen, we don't celebrate February 14th.
Yo, my dad. Yo. If you not listen to FollowIG TV entertainment, you must be full to bumbo.
I'm here to say happy Monday morning, viewers and subscribers. Today, I'm gonna talk about two artists. I'm here to say, yo, them artists are paranoid no bumbuckler. I'm here to say, first one I'm gonna talk about goes by the name Chronic Law. And in Jafrass song title, we call it The Bred. You see me? Corrupt Part 3. I'm here to say, yo, man, I say, nah, celebrate no Valentine's Day, no. And that means say to guru. Yeah man, you don't know say native them now support them thing they cause we don't know what type of day that they no man or who that they are celebrate for you know. So I want to charge them to go listen Chronic Law, you see me? When you listen Chronic Law, no never farm fool. No girl never take on for idiot. Let me tell you this, I mean I say a father dark man and they man ever teach you man I say yo, make sure say you touch the road and touch the road without no heart. You see them girls.
Loving me out now, you see.
Let me tell you this, my girl. But I feel like say me I go pour out my love to you and then you go style me and deal with me like some scummage, you know. Though mother feel like say me I go give you all of my heart like so. And then you go just step on it like so and make me feel like dog shit, my girl, that we go down in a hole. I mean, as a viewers and subscriber, don't try to get the concept where artists are trying to make you know. No violence against women, you know, but right now, you have to protect for no art, you know, because you see, no art, when that's scattered, you know, man, nothing can fix it, but maybe glue can glue you up, you know. You hear me, I say? So, viewers and subscriber, me a big up man like Alex and Jay Jones, we produce that song, you see me? Collect the bread. Entertainment, big up yourself here, work with the artist. Father that, big up yourself. I mean, I say, viewers and subscriber, go over Canicla Viva and go make him know, say, me sending over there. You see me? Touch the bell icon to be notified each time I drop a video. Farm up the comment section, said way. So when I say, like, share, make a friend know, say, me over here. Yeah, man, me a jump in the next review now. Or you go.
The closet and lock up. Cause if you see you to we are get shot.
You tell me no viewers and subscriber. We link this girl and this girl that tell me say he not have no money, live by himself. You see me? Now we're going to go in yard and I go and put in some work a year door knock. When you check it out, mama tell about him man and him man have much security, much bomber them a for it. You see what me I say? I say viewers and subscriber. Whoever gets in that situation now, them have to jump in a closet or something. You see me? Enough time you have to jump on that closet in a viewers and subscriber. But I don't know, girl, man, come in. Cause you don't know, say, you can't trust no female still, you know, but me never experienced a beat an ex man, woman, and then forward in. But me experience in a family house, a beat skins and family a forward in, you have to run, go on a closet, you see me? So me I say, that song your title Top Floor. You see me? Company Part 2. And the artist goes by the name Jafrass. And me I say, yo, that song you well put together, viewers and subscribers. You see me? A long time I don't hear nothing from Jafrass, or maybe me not to meds Jafrass, but me have to meds that song your viewers and subscribers. So I want you guys to go over Jafrass and go give me support. You see me? Make him know say me send him over there. You don't know say we are starting Monday morning fresh and clean. You see me? And I ladies them we are talk about now, a wicked one then. That's why we have to say no trust, no love sometime, you know, but you can't spoil a rotten grape for a ripe one, you see me? So you have to just know say that's where things set. You have to just put a leash on them and know say alright. That's how woman stay. So other way the we have to move towards them. Cause you have some nice woman out the same way, you know. So you can't use the one bad apple to spoil the bunch. You see free. Yeah man, so the TV entertainment I gonna make on a little piece more song and then we wrap up this door. 100.
Trouble they up on 5th floor. And the clothes alone behind the closet door.
Yeah man, trouble there upon 5th floor. And the clothes alone they behind the closet door. And me I tell you say anything we pass through I gonna get pitched down. Yeah man, and that the artist I make on know. And me have to say first and foremost, me have to big up the people them be part of that song. You see me? Take part in that song yeah. Like One World Entertainment, Automatic, Spot on Records, 9 Mile Records, and Dance Sky Records. And them believe in the artist, and them a work with the artist, and me I tell you say, well done. You see me? I like how that song ya construct and I like how everything play out. You see, pray and me I say, Jafrass, big up yourself, you know, man. You know the thing going on, man. I want Soji TV entertainment over here, you know. We believe in a artist and we believe in a good work. You see, pray. So me I say, viewers and subscribers, if you don't like what Soji I do, you can comment and you can like up the video. You see me? You can subscribe. You know, tell a friend to tell a friend say Soji TV entertainment over.